Hi students, I wanted to post a quick video about how our class will work moving forward. We are moving our classes online. I'm sure that your normal high school classes are, not meeting in person for the time being. Same thing with Delta College. We do not have a date of when we might resume operations on campus. So for now, just know that we'll be moving through the majority of the rest of this class online, if not the entire rest of the class online. So some things I want to point out. I'm going to go to our homepage. You log in. I've posted a couple announcements on being online for the foreseeable future. I just want you guys to know we just have to hang in there. Things will not be all that different. Just think about our lectures being posted online as well now. You are already doing your homework online, and now your tests will be online also. Unfortunately, your book was already online. So you guys were already sort of halfway there. So just don't panic, stick with it, it'll be okay. I'm going to go into the student view so that I can show you what it should look like from your side. So you should come in, see these announcements if you haven't read them yet. Make sure you read them. And then when you go over here to assignments, you're now going to find our lectures in here as well. Your view may not show in this exact order. You might be displaying things by date, in which case you would have to go look around a little bit more for the lectures. But if you go by type, it's going to sort them by homework and by lectures. So we had a weird couple of weeks before the break anyway. The juniors all went on that field trip. I had intended to lecture, but then there were only 5 people present, so I didn't. So the first thing you guys need to do is go through the lecture slides for chapter 22. We hadn't finished inflation. We had done about 2/3 of the chapter. So when you go in here to this lecture, you click open. It's going to open the PowerPoint slides that I would normally use to lecture. So you go in here, you click enable editing, and you should be able to find in your notes where we left off. As far as I remember, we only had a handful of slides left. I'm guessing that we left off somewhere along the lines of right here. I think I remember us doing this slide. So slides probably 13 to 22, you still need to review. I recommend trying to keep yourself on a schedule similar to what we were doing before. So if you can set aside an hour and a half every Tuesday, Thursday to look through the slides, take notes. If there are concepts that are particularly complicated, I will go ahead and post instructions on how to best, I will post lectures that help explain those things and make them easier for you, if that makes sense. Otherwise, there will be weeks that I just post the lecture slides and allow you guys to go through them on your own. As always, it's a good idea to go ahead and read the book as well. You'll still have homework assignments posted in here every week under the assignments tab. Those will appear in the homework section, so just make sure that you're doing your homework, going over the lecture slides. Our next test is next Thursday. That will open on, let's see how we're going to do this. Next Thursday is the 2nd. The test will open on Wednesday morning and will close on the 2nd at 11:59 p.m. So essentially you guys will have a little less than 48 hours to log on to here, take the exam, and submit it. The exam will be timed, so just know that once you open the exam, there is no stopping. There's only one opportunity to take it. There's no retakes, and I expect you guys to finish it within that time frame. If there are questions, please reach out to me. I know that this is going to be a little bit of a rocky transition. For Tuesday and Wednesday, just focus on finishing, the slides on inflation. And then on Thursday, focus on moving on to the ones on unemployment. The test next Thursday will cover chapters 7, 21, and 22. So these 2 chapters, in addition to all the notes that we took on chapter 7. Again, I'll continue to post little updates and tidbits and tips. But for right now, that's what you need to do. Start preparing for the test next Thursday. Log in here on a regular basis, do your homework, and make sure you're reviewing the lecture slides and taking notes to make sure that you're studying. Okay, that's it for now, students. Good Good luck. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and reach out if you have any concerns or questions. Talk to you soon.